orbit that way.
Okay, boom.
Nighttime, daytime, daytime, nighttime. You feel what I'm saying?
Y'all ain't never seen the moon out in the sun at the same time, bro. I don't know how it's possible, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
What time was it?
It's probably like 4 o'clock. And I was like, bro, I was like, God damn. I'm like, I never seen the moon out and the sun out at the same time. That was odd. But they was like at different sides of the world, though. You know what I'm saying? It was like both different times of the universe. Very strange.
You know the sun is what give the moon light.
Z, come on, bro. Stop the bullshit.
What?
Don't start coming on here talking about that bullshit.
I
What you
mean,
mean? How you gonna say the sun gives the moon light? Ain't
Like-
it its own separate entity?
Like the light that you see shining from the moon comes from the sun.
How is that? I don't see how that's possible, bro. Like, I can honestly see the moon, but I can't see how that's possible.
The moon is a big ass rock, like a big ass crater. Like,
It's a big ass white rock.
yeah, like
Is it really white though?
I don't know what color it is. It's like off white,
It's off white.
no virgin.
No Virgil though.
Yeah,
Damn.
like a cream color,
Yeah. Damn.
like oatmeal.
How does that shit just spin in my mind, bro? So you saying the sun gives the moon light? So how at nighttime when there's no sun,
Wow, hello.
the moon is still bright?
The sun there, you just can't see it
How is that though?
because it's set already.
Wow, hello.
Where is it at? Nigga, where does the sun go when it get dark?
Wow, hello.
B Lou, I don't have an answer for that.
Dude, like that bitch just disappear off the planet, nigga.
Because when you put it in perspective,
Like where does that bitch go?
where do that motherfucker go?
Where does the-
Where do that motherfucker
Bro,
go?
I'm
Where do
lost.
that? I was thinking, I'm
Bro,
like, hold
like-
on. That's common sense, but hold on. Where do that
Bro,
motherfucker
think
go,
about
B
it.
Lou?
Zeke, I saw the moon today
Yeah,
with the sun.
right.
But now the moon is out with no sun.
hello.
And the question at hand is,
Where
does
is
that
the
motherfucker
sun?
go?
Zeke, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Where is the sun
hello.
right now?
Somebody said the earth turns.
That don't explain it though. How does that explain it though?
It said it. I know the earth, yeah, the earth definitely rotates. I know that.
Bro,
So yeah, I know the earth spins. I know that for a fact.
but that's what I'm saying though.
Like the earth is spinning right now. You just can't feel it. You know that, right?
why we not falling and shit then? I don't believe that.
It has something to do with the gravitational pull.
So you telling me the earth spinning, we would be spinning everywhere if the earth
Now
was spinning.
we is spinning, but you just can't feel it.
Nigga, I ain't went no. Nigga, don't say the world is spinning. Nigga, how the world spinning? What? Nigga, do you hear this? Bro?
That's
The
what the
world
chat
is,
said.
bro. The world's spinning, bro. Oh my god, y'all niggas is crazy, bro. They got y'all, bro. Oh my gosh, they got y'all minds, bro.
The earth flat, dog.
So hold on.
And
So
that was
you believe the
proof right
earth is
there.
spinning,
That's
that's
what they
just-
say. That's what they say.
bro? If the earth is spinning,
But I feel like we just disproved.
dismantled the. Come on, Z.
Yeah, we
crushed it.
crushed that analogy. We crushed that.
Cause if
that
that's
theory.
the case, why don't then this house will be moving? we would be moving all the way. The house would be shifting like this, wouldn't it? If it was spinning.
I don't think it's spinning that fast though.
How fast that spin then? But I'm saying there's no movement though. I don't see no movement, bro.
Shout out ZFX with the 10. He said the sun is on the other side of the earth. You can sometimes see the sun and the moon at the same time because the earth orbits the sun and the moon orbits the earth. Let me read that again. The sun is on the other side of the earth. You can sometimes see the sun and the moon at the same time is because the earth orbits the sun. So like it goes around, like, so it orbits the sun, and the moon orbits the earth.
So does that mean the moon is faster than the sun?
Hold on, so this is Earth.
Wow, hello. So that's Earth.
No. This is Earth.
Okay.
Come on.
Wow, hello.
Now this is the sun.
Okay, that's the
Now
sun.
that's the moon. It looks more like a moon. It's like a moon.
It's like
the color.
gray,
It's more milky.
yeah, white.
It's the moon, and let's say this is the sun because it's like red.
That bit
hot. It's hot.
Okay, I got you.
Earth. Okay.
It's a little big, Zeke.
Hold Earth real quick.
Okay.
Let me read that comment again.
They say the sun is on the other side.
The sun.
Should I do Earth? Because water, Zeke, water.
What? Come on, B Lou.
Okay.
Thinking without thinking.
Okay.
Okay.
The blue water. Okay.
You
I
feel what I'm
got
saying?
you. Okay. Earth, flat, right? So it's not circle.
Right.
Flat Earth. Okay. Boom.
The Earth orbits the sun and the moon. Hold on. So the Earth. So.
Earth. What do you say? Earth.
Go around. This is the sun. Just go around this mother. Just go
like
around.
which way though?
Just go around. It's orbiting. It's orbiting right now. It's orbiting.
Okay.
Right, and as it's orbiting, the moon orbits the Earth. Okay.
So
hold on. Okay.
I think I got something, Zeke.
Okay. What?
So as I'm doing this, right? So he say the sun. So the Earth is split in half with the sun. So it's like dark over here. Why sun over here?
Yeah, the sun. So the sun is on this side. Okay.
Okay, so that's why it's daytime. But as we go further away
from it,
it gets darker
dark on some parts and light on some other parts.
Okay.
So orbit that motherfucker.
Okay, I'm starting to picture this shit now.
Daytime. So
Okay, on this side then it's okay.
So this is the sun. The sun's shining right here. Boom.
On this side of the Earth, but as you get further back,
Now, come on. Orbit that motherfucker. Nighttime, daytime.
Okay.
Nighttime, daytime. And as that motherfucker orbiting the sun,
okay,
the moon is orbiting the Earth.
Hold on.
You feel me?
Oh.
So hold on. So go that way. Orbit that way.
Okay, boom.
Nighttime, daytime, nighttime. You feel what I'm saying?
That's the orbit.
That's phenomenal.
I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Nah,
that's crazy, bro. I see what's going on.
That's phenomenal. Dog.
Nah, I see that shit. I ain't gonna lie. That shit crazy, bro.
How can there not be a God, bro?
Bro.
Somebody had to design that.
You gotta think this is a big ass motherfucking, regardless if it's a ball or if it's a goddamn flat thing, like just for it to be moving in pure, just in a galaxy.
Hold on, my homie just texted me. He said the Earth spins at 1,037 miles per hour at the equator and get progressively slower towards the poles. At the poles, the rotational speed is effectively zero.
Man, that nigga just made up some shit. He just made up. That nigga just made up.
Nigga just chat. You yapping. You chatting right now.
He just made that shit up so fast.
What the? What is an equator? Let's start there. Nigga. What the fuck is the pole? What pole?
I thought he was talking about Santa Claus.
Light
He talking
pole,
about
stripper
North
pole.
Yeah, shit, North Pole. And